Very good morning, students. Our next topic is curl of conservative field, or you can say that Lamler's vector field, or in other words, you can say that irrotational field, right? So, in this article, we consider closed path. So, if we're going to move from A1 point to A2, that is possible through via C1. When we're going to back from point final to the initial, that is A2 to A1 through C2. So in this diagram it is clear that we have two paths. So first one is through C1 and second is through C2. When we going to first point to second, it will be positive, and when we return back, that will be considered as a negative, right? So in the explanation content, you will write consider a closed path consisting of path C1 from A1 to A2 and path C2 from A to A1, which is represented in this diagram. So in case of conservative force or conservative field, we can say that the line integral of field is always independent the path taken, that is. Now we talk about line integral. We know that the definition of line integral, that is E dot dl, right? If we consider closed path, that means we consider line integral of first line, that is along C1. So line integral expression is E dot dl is equal to, so this will be considered as a negative. So writing with the negative sign, line integral along C2, again E dot dl, right? So when we going to find out the around closed path, this whole closed path integral, that will be closed line integral C E dot dl is equal to line integral along first path plus line integral along second path is equal to 0. ठीक है, so write it as line integral along C1 E dot dl. When we going to sort out this function, it will be positive if we writing there, right? So plus writing line integral expression along second path, that is C2, so it will be line integral C2 E dot dl is equal to 0. Or you can say that when we going to find out the total line integral around any closed path is equal to sum of all paths which followed by that closed path is equal to 0, right? This is equation number 1. So we know that the magnitude of curl E is equal to line integral closed line integral E dot dl divided by total surface area. So according to equation 1, we can say that this function is replaced by curl E. So curl E is equal to 0, and we know that curl, that means divergence into E is equal to 0. These type of field are non-curl fields, or you can say that irrotational fields, right?